Hello, I'm Dr. Leona Yip and I'm a dermatologist. We're going to talk today about looking after your lip skin. We talk a lot about looking after our face, but we often forget that our lips are also part of our facial skin. So looking after our lips is just as important because our lip skin is thinner and it's constantly exposed to environment elements like sun exposure, harsh winds and temperature changes. I think the commonest lip complaint that most people have is dry lips. So what causes dry lips? The top causes of dry and peeling lips that I would see as a dermatologist are, number one, lip licking. Wetting your lips with saliva, believe it or not, actually has a paradoxical drying effect on those lips, so stop licking them. And number two, contact irritants that can damage your lip skin moisture barrier, such as with hot foods and drinks, spices and toothpaste. And number three, sunburns and long-term sun damage. And number four, medications, such as those used to treat acne that can cause dry lips. So this is why lip care really should be part of your skincare routine, and I would recommend using lip balms as a product staple. I would recommend having 2 lip balms that you can use every day. One for daytime use that you can carry out with SPF for sun protection, and the other one for overnight use for intensive moisturizing and lip repair. So what do I do for my own lip care? I use a day lip balm with SPF 50 that I apply liberally before I put on my lipstick. And when I'm outdoors, I reapply this every 2 to 3 hours or more frequently, especially if I'm eating or drinking, when I tend to wipe off the lip balm more frequently to ensure that my lips are always moisturized, they don't get sunburned, and to protect them from long-term sun damage. And at night, I have a nourishing overnight lip repair balm that helps do 3 things for my lips. The first is to rehydrate and plump those lips with active ingredients like hyaluronic acid and peptides. And number 2, to protect and replenish my lip skin barrier with ceramides and glycerine. And thirdly, to repair and renew my lip skin with antioxidants and gentle exfoliants. If you don't have a lip care routine, remember it's not too late to start now. Moisturize, protect and repair your lips just as you would for your facial skin.